Hello, I'm Darrell Castle. I'm an attorney licensed to practice law in the state of Tennessee. And today we're going to talk about what do you do if you have an accident and the person on the other side of your accident is uninsured, an uninsured motorist, in other words. Well, accidents happen. People make mistakes. We're all human. But the question really becomes who pays? Who pays for the damage that this mistake caused? So that's why you need insurance. If you drive, you need insurance. Here in my state of Tennessee, insurance is required. It's the law. Everybody has to carry at least limits of $25,000 per claim and $50,000 per accident. That means if you damage more than one person or more than one car in an accident, it will pay up to $50,000. $25,000 is the minimum. That's not much, folks, when you consider the cost of medical care today and how easy it is to catastrophically injure somebody. But the fact is, a lot of people disobey the law. That is very common. In fact, studies show that here in Tennessee, 24% of the drivers on the roads in Tennessee are not insured, 24% statewide. Now, I bet in big cities like Memphis, where I live, and Nashville, I bet it's much higher than that. So there is a good chance when you have an accident that other driver is going to be uninsured. That's why you have to carry your own uninsured motorist coverage. Your own insurance policy will cover you if you have an accident and there's no one to pay for the damage. If somebody rear ends you or runs a red light and hits you and causes you damage, damages your car, or worse, sends you to the hospital where you have huge medical bills, uninsured motorists will cover that, uninsured motorist coverage. It really doesn't cost that much more. In fact, it's so important that Tennessee requires insurance companies to have you sign something if you want to reject it. If you buy insurance and you don't want uninsured motorist coverage, you have to actually sign a form saying that you don't want it. Now, sometimes these insurance companies will do that. They'll put that form in front of you saying, if you want the cheapest coverage, sign this. Don't do that, folks. You need uninsured motorist coverage. You need to have coverage in case you have an accident involving an uninsured motorist. But if you do have such an accident and you want to know what to do, call me, folks. I think you'll be glad you did.